Well, we're heading off to Rapid Bay. We've heard a lot about it. It's supposed to be lovely, great for fishing, squidding. So yeah, fingers crossed, we'll do all right.
Yeah, I'm excited. It's nice to go somewhere different.
Well, the best part is it's our first free camp too.
Yeah.
So we get to test out our lithium batteries and everything else. So yeah, should be good.
Yes. We'll have to show you through eventually one day all the batteries set up that we've got.
Was that a dig?
Yeah. It will happen one day.
Yeah, one day. Same as all my other chores. One day. How good is this? Hey. As you can see where we are here, look at this view. And check this out. Wow. Straight down onto the beach. Beach. Us. Woohoo! We've got 450 amp hour lithium in there, and that's fully charged. We've been using kettles and toasters and coffee machines and that. I've got a spare 200 blanket there. That's just feeding the ute, because I've got two 120 amp hour lithium deep cycle batteries in the back of the ute. But I've also got a portable 150 lithium right here in the battery box. Oops, sorry about that. That's see, old mate from home at 12 volt. So got the fridge from him and everything, which is good. Got the fishing rods. I'm going to be getting out there and trying to do a bit of that very soon, but we're going to go and do a bit of four-wheel driving now. Check it out. And the reason we're going to do the fishing a bit later is because we're talking to a bloke here, and he was saying that squid and certain types of fish, you're better off trying to get them later on, you know, at sunset. So we'll give that a crack. In our own private beach, camping here for the next month. next hour. Bit rocky, but actually really easy walk to one of the caves and a bit of a private island at Rapid Bay. Absolutely bloody beautiful. We went and had a beautiful secluded lunch because we've been together 40 years today. Love you, babe. Ah! Only joking. So the tide must come right up and smash in here, eh?
Mm.
How can I get up there?
Climb.
Did you bring a ladder?
That's not an Anya climb, is it?
No.
That's why they put a few rocks there. But...
I'm nearly 60, not nearly 20.
Timed it perfectly with the weather, but apparently it can get quite windy if you're travelling South Australia. And put this on your bucket list.
Oh, well, that was good. Thought I was going to have to carry her.
Check out this view from our kitchen window. That's going to be hard to beat.
That is hilarious.
We haven't been over to KI as yet, but keen to go over. I've heard some really good reports. Apparently there's lots to do. You can go on quad bike tours, there's heaps of wildlife to see. I've also heard there's great local produce. They had devastating fires back in February 2020, so it's great to see a lot of visitors go over to support the local community. Come on, old man, you can do it.
Check this out. Look at that. It's lovely. Oi, you just spoilt me shot. Yeah, that's I pointed that out as we're coming along. Back where we passed. Yeah.
Way to go back. Are you ready for the journey? Yeah, they're actually really easy to climb over, aren't they?
Yeah. Davo, how good's this, mate?
Yeah, good, Gibbo.
This is the new jetty, built in 2009. The old original jetty was built in 1940. So we bought a few of these lures, try and catch some squid. Nothing yet. Let's see how we go. So green at fishing, I YouTube everything we need to know. What's it about?
William Light.
Yeah.
Colonel William Light. So he scrolled his name in WL in 1836.
Wow.
Yeah, look at that. So there's tennis courts. You could probably use that. It's not locked.
Okay.
So it's probably open to use.
Okay, camping fees. The cost is $12.50 per adult per night. There's toilets, no showers. Unfortunately, the closest dump point is 27 k's away at Yankalilla. This park gets packed during the nice weather over the school holidays. But if you come out of that time, you can get some nice spots right up near the beach.
My mate over here, he's already caught 3 apparently. The old mate was here. He caught about 8 fish. He came back, felt sorry for me. Check this out. 35 gram lure. So it's nice and weighty, so mine were too light, I wasn't getting them out there. That lure caught 8 fish in about 20 minutes, salmon, and he obviously felt sorry for me, so he come out, he had a flick, he still couldn't get any, I still can't get any, I hate fishing! Stop the car! Have a look at this! cousin Ed. Oh my God, he's his brother.